What's up YouTube? This is the Soldier Barber Life, and today I'm going to be showing you guys the most budget friendly option to be cutting your own hair at home. So stay tuned. So everything in this video that I'm going to show you how to cut your hair at home is only going to cost you $100. $100, and that is clippers, trimmers, everything that comes in this box, and a self-cutting mirror, a three-way mirror that you can use to cut your own hair. $100, and I will make sure I have all the links to the description in my description so you guys can purchase this. But you know, I'm just not going to tell you guys about it. I'm going to show you doing it myself. I'm going to use these products myself and this mirror, and I'm going to cut my own hair. Let's go. So this is the finished cut. Give you guys a 360. And overall, I'm impressed. I think it turned out great. Like I say, I only used the mirror here, and then only used the Superint clipper and the Superint trimmer to do this cut. Nothing else. So I'm showing you guys exactly what you need. This is the best budget option that you can get to cut your own hair at home. Like I say, $100, and then you have all the tools and supplies you need to be able to cut your own hair at home. And like I say, I'll make sure I give the links in the description, and so you guys can get these. I got all this off of Amazon. So if you haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned, because in a future video I'm going to be giving all this away. Thanks for watching.